Hey guys, I received another box free for review from Barracuda Babe Box, and this one is for teens. It's called Boogie Girlz Treasure Box. This is all the contents that are inside this bag, so I'm going to open this envelope first and see what this says. Alright, so Boogie Girlz Treasure Chest, August 2021, Volume 1. We hope you and your daughters enjoy the Boogie Girlz Treasure Chest complimentary bag. This is an extension of Barracuda Babe Box, but for teenage girls. Once subscribed, you will receive an email so you can personalize your treasure chest. So excited to open this up and see what is in here today. First item is 2 colorful pony rings in the hot pink and the green, and I don't want to take it out of the package. Definitely going to be a gift. The next is a colorful friendship bracelet, and I don't want to take that out of the package as well. And the next one is a chap lip balm in mango. Oh, that one is absolutely adorable. That is a pink sneaker keychain. That is so cute. Love that one. Okay, so this one looks like soap made by that Silly brand. And it looks like vegetable oil, olive oil, coconut oil, goat's milk, and then scent, fragrance. Strawberry bar soap with goat's milk. And then some beaded barrettes. Those are very pretty. And they definitely look large enough so they can hold a good amount of hair, even adult size. So that is all of the items that are in this treasure box for teens. We have the pony rings for the hair, the bracelet, the barrettes, the chap lip balm, the bar soap, and then the keychain for $14.95. And it is a monthly subscription, just like the other Babe Box subscriptions that can be canceled at any time. So what do you guys think? Do you think this was a pretty cool bag for any teenage girls in your life? Very lousy, or so, yeah, you're not sure. I don't know, I really like it. I thought it was kind of cute. I think a teenage girl would really enjoy it. So let me know in your comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.